Welcome to my presentation around the up-and-coming social media app Vero. Launching in 2015, Vero has accumulated over 3 million users as of March 2018. Vero is an up-and-coming social media app that is meant to compete with image-sharing apps like Instagram or Tumblr. Its main purpose is to provide a simpler, less complicated, and less congested version of these apps, but with its own twist. This app, along with the image and video sharing, also allows you to share links, music, movies, books, and places, encompassing a lot of different areas of social media and putting them together on one platform. They also claim to be truly social, meaning the app does not use algorithms and is instead true to the timeline in ways in which the user posts and interacts. This app allows you to connect with friends, family, and internet and media personalities alike. You can group your friends and followers into different categories. This allows you to share images or links with specific or all groups you are connected with, making for a more controlled sharing experience. The truly social platform also keeps everything in chronological order. Apps like Instagram and YouTube have come under fire for recently jumbling up posts and not staying true to any sort of real timeline. This app, however, is a subscription-based app. Supposedly. The idea was that the first million users would get the app free for life, and the remaining signing up would be on some sort of subscription plan. But their rapid growth had them reconsidering. So currently, users who sign up are getting the app for free. I signed up this past week, and it was still free for me, even though they already have over 3 million users. They have sent out a message around their choice to keep it free for the time being, but I would recommend signing up soon before the subscription plan goes into effect. Overall, the platform is extremely easy to use, fun, and exciting. I think any company who is wanting to keep the experience in the hands of the user deserves recognition. I look forward to watching this app grow because I believe it could have huge potential.